Namaste children. Hi. Let us discuss fifth lesson in 7th class social studies is Europe. In this video, we are going to discuss the 4 seasons and agriculture in Europe continent. In this video, we are going to discuss the 4 seasons and agriculture in Europe continent. Children, shall I ask you one question now? Would you respond to my question? Yes. How many seasons are there in our country? How many seasons are there in our country? Yes, correct answer. Our country has 3 seasons. Our India has 3 seasons. First one is rainy season. Second one is winter season. Third one is summer season. In the case of Europe continent has 4 seasons. In the case of Europe continent has 4 seasons. They are winter season, spring season, summer season, autumn season. European continent has 4 seasons. One is winter season, spring season, summer season, autumn season. According to seasons, changes or transformation. Transformation means changes takes place in land and agriculture routine changes. Let me show the pictures. Let me show these pictures. These pictures explains that the transformation of a place over the seasons is shown on these pictures. That means according to seasons, the changes takes place in land. Okay, in the first picture you can see is a winter season where snow falls heavily. Second picture you can see spring season where new shoots appears on trees. Fresh green leaves appears, colorful flowers blossoms. In third picture you can see summer season where sun shines more. In fourth picture you can see autumn season. Okay, in this fourth picture you can see in autumn season the tree leaves color change into red or yellow color and begin to fall down. Thus tree stands entirely leafless. So according to season, changes takes place in land. According to season, the transformation takes place in land. Okay children, so what I say means, so according to season, the changes takes place in land and agriculture routine changes. Let us discuss the season one by one. Let us discuss winter season in Europe continent. In Europe continent, winter season starts in the month of November and ends at February. As November approaches, Europe continent begins to get chilly. As November approaches, European continent begins to get chillies. On the month of December, European continent gets cool climate where snow falls heavily. In the month of December, the European continent gets cool climate where snow falls heavily. In European continent, during winter season, snow falls more in mountains and less in plains. Sunshine while in abundance. During winter season in Europe continent, sun rises at 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning and sets 4 p.m. in the evening. That means days are shorter, nights are longer in winter season in Europe continent. Days are shorter, nights are longer during winter season in Europe continent. During winter season in Europe continent, the sky becomes overcast. Overcast sky means sky becomes cloudy. During winter season in Europe continent, 95% of the sky is cloudy. It makes darker. Thus it makes European continent darker. During winter season in Europe continent, 95% sky is cloudy. That is called overcast sky. When the 95% sky is cloudy, the sky is called overcast sky. During winter season in European continent, this overcast sky, that means 95% sky is cloudy, makes the European continent darker. Now, during winter season in France, broad leaf trees from the broad leaves from the trees will shut down, and thus the trees in France stand entirely leafless. During winter season in France country, broad leaves will shed from the trees, means will fall from the trees, and thus the trees in France become leafless. The trees in France stand entirely leafless during winter season. Children, let me explain about spring season. Okay, as spring season occurs, the landscape changes. The landscape changes as spring season enters. The landscape changes as spring season enters. Spring season starts in the month of March and ends in the month of May. In spring season, days are longer, nights are shorter. In spring season, days are longer, nights are shorter. During spring season in Europe continent, snow melts. Snow melts and new shoots appears on trees. New shoots appears on trees. Children, this is new shoot. This is a shoot. This is called new shoot. So during spring season in Europe continent, the shoot like this appears on trees. From new shoots, leaves appear, fresh leaves appear. From these new shoots, fresh green leaves appears. And colorful flowers blossoms. Colorful flowers blossoms. Let me explain now in Telugu this one. Here, new shoots is nothing but in Telugu we call remmalu. Kommalu means branches. This is remmalu. This shoot is called in Telugu remmalu. Okay, spring Europe continent lo winter season samayamlo చెట్టులో రెమ్మలు ఏర్పడతాయి. కొత్త రెమ్మలు, చెట్టులో కొత్త రెమ్మలు ఏర్పడతాయి. ఆ రెమ్మల నుంచి కొత్త ఆకులు ఏర్పడతాయి. దాని తర్వాత కలర్ఫుల్ ఫ్లవర్స్, పూలు, రంగురంగుల పువ్వులు విరబోస్తుంది. బ్లసూమ్ అంటే విరబోయడము. ఓకే, చిల్డ్రన్ లిసన్ నౌ. As snow melts in spring season, as snow melts during spring season Europe continent, new shoots appears on trees. New shoots appears on trees. New shoots appears on trees. And fresh green leaves appear. Colorful flowers blossoms. Colorful flowers blossoms. Okay. And during spring season Europe continent. During spring season in Europe continent, lush green grass grown in pastures. Lush green grass grown in pastures. Lush means thick. Thick green grass grows in pastures land. Pastures means grassland. Pastures means grassland. During spring season in Europe continent, lush green grass means thick green grass grown in pastures or in grassland. During spring season in Europe continent, fields are plowed and sowed. Okay, during spring season in Europe continent, fields are plowed and sowed. Okay, what are the principal crops grown in spring season in Europe continent? What are the principal crops grown during spring season in Europe continent? Wheat, rye, barley, corn, sugar beet, oats. Wheat, rye, barley, corn, sugar beet, oats. These are principal crops grown during spring season in Europe continent. Now come to summer season. Summer season starts in the month of June and ends in August in Europe continent. No rain occurs in summer season. Sun shines more in Europe continent. Sun shines more in Europe continent. Days are longer. Days are longer. Nights are shorter in Europe continent. That is sunrise 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, during summer season in Europe continent, the sun rises 4 a.m. in the morning and sets 8 a.m. in the night. Okay, during summer season in Europe continent, the sun rises 4 a.m. in the morning and sets 8 p.m. in the night. Okay, in some countries of Europe like Norway and Sweden, sun never sets. Sun never sets. So only Norway and Sweden countries are called land of midnight sun. Norway and Sweden countries are called land of midnight sun. Okay, in exam they may ask you a question. Children, listen carefully. Which country is called land of midnight sun? A. Norway, B. Sweden, C. England, D. Germany. Which option you should mention? Norway. Norway is the correct answer. Norway country is called the land of midnight sun, not Sweden. But in some cases they may ask you the option like that. Which countries are called land of midnight sun? A option Norway and Sweden, B option Germany and Belgium, C option England and France. Then you should write the answers Norway and Sweden. But if they ask the options individually, if they ask the options, okay, A Norway, B Sweden, C Belgium, D England means you should write the answer Norway, because Norway is the country called land of midnight sun. In Norway, okay, the countries like Norway and Sweden, sun never sets. So only Norway and Sweden are called land of midnight sun. But which country is called land of midnight sun means Norway. Think this point, children. Think carefully about this point. Which country is called land of midnight sun? Norway, not Sweden. In the option, if they give Norway and Sweden together, then you write the answer Norway and Sweden. Now, my question is, though sunlight is present in Europe continent during summer season more than 16 hours in a day, but Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Why? My question. Children, listen very carefully this question. Though sun is present more than 16 hours in a day in Europe continent during summer season, but Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Why? My question. Why? Because the sun does not rise high in the sky. The sun does not rise high in the sky. The sun will be close in horizon. The sun remains close in horizon. Horizon means the sun appears where land and sky meets. The sun appears where land and sky meets. The sun appears where land and sky meets. If you want to make you to understand very much better, children, in the morning you see the sun. In the morning where sun will be there? Where land and sky. Where land and sky meets, in that place the sun is appeared. Okay, the place where sun appeared. Okay, the place where sun appears, in which land and sky meets, that place is called horizon. That place is called horizon. Even the evening you can see, okay, the sun. When you can see the sun appears where the land and sky meets. The evening also we can see the sun appears where the land and sky meets. That place is called horizon. That place is called horizon. Here in Europe continent, the sun does not rise high in the sky. The sun is in horizon throughout the day. In Europe continent, the sun is in horizon where land and sky meets. The sun is in horizon where land and sky meets. Here the sun is in horizon where land and sky meets. Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Okay, children. Now, let me explain this one in very detail now. More. Okay, as the case of India, during summer season, India gets very hot. Whereas in Europe, during summer season, Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Why? This is my reason, children. Why? Because in India, in morning and evening, the sun is in horizon. When the sun is in horizon, horizon means the sun appears where land and sky meets. The sun appears where land and sky meets. That place is called horizon. In India, in morning and evening, the sun is in horizon. When the sun is in horizon, sun rays fall slantingly. When the sun is in horizon, the sun rays fall slantingly. When sun rays fall slantingly, okay, India doesn't get very hot in the morning and evening. Whereas in the afternoon, the sun rises high in the sky. The sun rises above our head. The sun rises above our head. The sun rises high in the sky. When sun rises high in the sky, when the sun rises above our head, the sun rays falls directly. The sun rays falls directly. When sun rays falls directly, India gets very hot. India gets very hot. Okay, in the case of Europe, the sun is in horizon. Where the sun is in horizon, that means the sun appears, the land and sky meets. The sun appears, the land and sky meets. So when the sun is in horizon in Europe continent during summer season, throughout the day, sun rays fall slantingly. Yes, sun rays fall slantingly, Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Europe continent doesn't get very hot. Okay, children. Now, the summer season is a season for agriculture. Summer season in Europe continent is a season of agriculture where crops gets matured. Where crops gets matured. Irrigation is not necessary for summer season. Why irrigation is not necessary? Okay, during summer season Europe continent. Why irrigation is not necessary during summer season in Europe continent? Occasionally rainfall occurs. Occasionally rainfall occurs. This rainfall water is sufficient from crop cultivation during summer season in Europe continent. Occasionally rainfall occurs. This rainfall water is sufficient for crop cultivation during summer season in Europe continent. At the end of the summer season, crops are ready to harvest. At the end of the summer season, crops are ready to harvest. Okay, anyhow, agriculture crops can be cultivated 6 to 7 months in a year in Europe continent. However, agriculture cultivation can be done only for 6 to 7 months in a year in Europe continent. Whereas in India, agriculture cultivations can be done for 8 to 10 months. For 8 to 10 months in a year. So in India, agriculture seasons are classified in 3 types. In India, agriculture seasons are classified in 3 types. One is Kharif season, Rabi season, Zayyat season. In India, agriculture seasons are classified in 3 types. They are Kharif season, Rabi season, Zayyat season. The period of Kharif season is June to September. The period of Kharif season is June to September. It is also called monsoon season. Rabi season. The period of Rabi season is October to February. It is called winter season. The period of Zayyat season is March to May. It is called summer season. The period of Kharif season is June to September. Kharif season is also called monsoon season. The period of Rabi season is October to February. The other name for Rabi season is winter season. The period of Zayyat season is March to May. It is also called summer season. So, India has 3 agriculture seasons. India has 3 agriculture seasons. One is Kharif season, Rabi season, Zayyat season. So, agriculture cultivation can be done for 8 to 10 months in a year. Whereas in Europe continent, agriculture cultivation can be done only for 6 to 7 months in a year. Now, let us discuss the last season in Europe continent called autumn season. Okay, let me discuss the last season in Europe continent called autumn season. Autumn season starts in the month of September and ends at October. As autumn season appears, landscape changes. Climatic changes takes place as autumn season appears. As autumn season appears, climatic changes takes place. As autumn season appears, climatic changes takes place. In autumn season, tree leaves turn into red or yellow color, begin to fall from the tree. Okay, in the autumn season, tree leaves turn into red or yellow in color and begin to fall from the tree. Thus, trees stand entirely leafless. In autumn seasons, agriculture operations are wounded up. Agriculture operations are be completed. In autumn season, agriculture operations are completed. After completing the agriculture operation autumn season, dry grass are left in agriculture field. Dry grass that we call hay, H-A-Y, hay. Hay is nothing but dry grass. After agricultural operations are completed, some dry grass left in agricultural land. The dry grass is called hay. This hay or dry grass cut and dried and useful for feeding farm animal. Listen children, in autumn season, agricultural operations would be completed. When agricultural operations are completed in autumn season, some dry grass left in agriculture field. The dry grass is called hay. Okay, these hays are cut and dried up and it's useful for feeding farm animals in winter season. These A's are cut and dried up, useful for feeding farm animals. Okay, grapes and other fruits plucked in autumn season, during autumn season in Europe continent. During autumn season in Europe continent, grapes and other fruits were plucked up. And with help of that, they used to make wine, jams, juices in different kinds and preserved in other ways. During autumn season in European continent, during autumn season Europe continent, grapes and other fruits were plucked up. By using these grapes and other fruits, they used to make wine, jams, juices of different kinds and preserved in other ways. Children, so far we discussed the 4 seasons and agriculture about Europe continent. I hope you understand this topic. Before seeing this video, first read the topic from the textbook, then see this video. Again, if you don't understand, see these videos again and again so that you can understand very much better. Keep watching these videos, children. For watching this video, my videos, I am very much thankful to you, children. Okay, next video, we will meet you on next video, children. In next video, we are going to discuss about agriculture. We are going to discuss about agriculture. Children, we will meet you in next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.